Jena, Pamdakle, Yaripin, Natumgudon, Kanala, Masoling rock, Krisada, Kyak, Shisada, and Ninkadang Rockise, Yaripin, Gadong, Na Pamdakle, Natumbing the Lang, and Ninkami Kavai request Sadale. Hello.
Hello. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Paddy village, it is my honor to extend warm greetings to everyone present. We are profoundly grateful to present our ancient practice of carrying paddy during the harvest season. In Tangkhul, this enduring tradition is known as Lengvei Kapung or Otre Kapung and as Watri Kapung in Pali. Historically, this practice transcended mere physical endurance. It embodied a pursuit of honor and societal recognition. Men competed to demonstrate their strength and resilience, vying for the prestigious title of Yarkoka, a designation bestowed upon the strongest and most distinguished gentlemen of the village. Participation was reserved for men of robust build, and the individual who carried the enormous load for the longest distance with the fewest breaks were honored as Yarkoga. On the eve of the competition, the men of the village gathered at the owner's house to feast on the finest meats and beverages, fortifying their body for the challenge ahead. This communal gathering is known as Rengdeokoga in Pali dialect. Each watri weighs approximately 180 kgs. The shawls predominantly feature white as the primary color. Shukom, a shawl with black borders, served as the base of the bundle. Shimchang, a plain white shawl, is used as the vertical wrap, while Pingyo, a shawl with red and black panels, form the horizontal wrap. After tightly packing the paddy with these shawls, around 10 or more shaira, which means thumb line, are used to secure the load. The ends of the watri are tied with twisted ropes made of hay, securing it firmly in the middle. This binding is known as watripi, which means leg of the watri. The watripi ropes are pulled towards each other, forming a distinctive W shape at both the head and the bottom of the watri. The larger thumb line employed for carrying the watri is called shairi. Watri is often adorned with cockscomb flowers, the horn-shaped straw, referred to as chaunji, which means deer's horns, elegantly adorn the top of the watri, resembling the antlers of a deer, and imparting a sense of grandeur to the occasion. This rich cultural heritage stands as a testament to the resilience, unity, and enduring spirit of our community. Through practices such as Lengvai Kapung or Watri Kapung, we continue to honor the legacy of our forefathers, ensuring these cherished traditions lived on for generations to come. Thank you all. Have a blessed day ahead.
이봐 스피커 좀 어디 갔어요?
야, 눈 나오고 한 노로.
이대 시절에 가서 내 로가위요.
난 가지.
Go from brightness.
맞아 봐.
Good morning, Longphang. Good morning, everyone. Ajit Tangkhul, Naga, Zingtun, Longphang Sports, Literary and Cultural Festival Hilira Zangkai, units being Kala Well-Wishers Kachivali, TNZL, Kala Organizing Committee, Kala Host Team Paliwi Mutun Sada, Ringapa Shalom Kamin and Soda Welcome Sadale, the 11th TNZL 2026 Festival with theme Unity in Motion Hiwe Azingli, Discipline Ayur Ayavali, compete, participate sangum kita clay lungihili. Itum katongka with the right spirit and in good spirit participate, compete sangrum kawai sa say gihi, recap the encourage sangaye. Fierce alakaina, kala in fairness itum compete sangro kawai sa say, generous salakaina, akha ainaka kamatag sajili katong rokta, thought kajidana, Paningung Gapai, Chansam Sagapai Festival, Akhangasak Vaisa say, let's make the 11th TNZL Festival a memorable one. TNZL Maling Mayruno, Mangava Mayruno. We are truly honored and privileged to have our Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Pala, as our chief guest. We express our sincere gratitude for your kind support and encouragement towards this festival. Thank you, sir. We are equally delighted to have with us our guest of honor, Shri Kushim Bashum, Honorable MLA, 45 Chungai Assembly Constituency, ex-Minister Transport and Veterinary, Government of Manipur. Sir, thank you so much for taking your valuable time out to be a part of this festival. Sir, your valuable support to various initiatives have always been a source of strength for the TNZL and the community at large. We extend our heartfelt welcome and express our sincere gratitude. Thank you, sir. We are also honored to have with us our respected chief host, Kuiru R.S. Jolison, Vice President Tangkhul Naga, who stands as a fatherly figure, hosting and embracing every federating unit as one family. Sir, we thank you for your guidance, support, and leadership. Thank you, sir. And a special word of welcome to our special guest, Sri Assis Das, IAS Deputy Commissioner Inaugural. Sir, your dynamic administrative leadership qualities and your dedication towards good governance has always been the strength for the progress and development of this very own district, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. We also warmly welcome all our special guests, invitees, well-wishers, delegates, dignitaries who have come along with their own units, who have made a point to be a part of this festival. We sincerely acknowledge your presence. Due to paucity of time, I may not be able to mention each one of you individually, but your presence here is acknowledged. Your constant support to this Longphang has weaved a stronger bond amongst the unit, and I'm sure this will stand as a testament for the generations to come, reminding them of how strong we have come together and how far we have come. TNZL Maling Mayruno, TNZL Mangava Mayruno. Ara itumi inaugural program hi matang zatak vaisa se dalu khongme kuiru RS Rasangna atam kuimiruno matangni hokarai ram hiwi khaya shikaniya kuiru e ungraingam headman Pali village na Rathan Miruno matangni sokami se hi Reverend Aso Kariwo, Pastor Pali Ngarumpung Baptist Church na Raso Miruno, Ara atam hi atamna maron darak miruno, dalu kongme kuiru RS Resangni atam midle. Ning shere ara itumna hokarai wang kya shikniya ram hiwi headman kuiru e unringamna Rathan Miruno.
O itumli kasa kawawa urura trada aka gagshunga Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang Kachip Haupo Gida Ground Hiri Rang Rum Ser Hairko Aju Aina Haupo Laga Kakup Wasung Jauda O Kasa Kawawa Urira Na Rang Rumida O Gapa Ungzang Miro O Gasi Shok Nsakaulo O Hui O
Ning shere ara itumwi inaugural function we so kami si hi Reverend Asok Kariwo Pastor Pali Ngarumpung Baptist Church na raso mirno.
Saya sasi. Trada ke kakashong Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang Sport Literary Culture Festival. Pro nawi mingli kaya kalak aina hapok hauki. So kami wa longli angaran ngi saikor. Pro hawi lu kambachan jim mangaina tacham daram da brevawi te kambate pongko shoga mit ngisagi. Kalanda wi lu kambachan so kami ja longli jing rena kopsang da pro hawi mingli Tangkhul Zingtun Longphang ya merano so kamiya Longphang sada ima yur reisang haksang kawai mangaka khaninga longnau ngasa chinglonu arui inaugural function ili singaki ge angran nge saikor lila prona rasang mida so kami atam ngasang sakmilu aji aina twida angran nge saikor ge jingmi kawai phungwa bing saikor lila so mida otam kang thawring ka pha kalam mi pingwe wang vrevana nyang ko onga jiwa lungli shapa kasawi so kami jeta shumida naming tek mteng sak miloda itum saikor ling tang kamya pro Jesu Christa wi mingsina seak sani amen.
Ning shere ara itum festival hi we flag hoisting sakwai atam kase. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with profound respect that we note the gracious presence of our esteemed chief guest, the Governor of Manipur, who has kindly authorized and deputed the Deputy Commissioner to represent him today and perform the sacred duty of unfurling the flag for the festival. We are deeply honored by this gesture of confidence and support. We now invite the Deputy Commissioner, who has been graciously deputed by Honorable Governor of Manipur to unfurl the flag for this festival. May I now request the Deputy Commissioner to unfurl the flag. Shri Ashish Tas, IAS Deputy Commissioner Yukrul. Yari Saikorana nganinka se itum flag hi unfurl sama mandaliga itum wila ili parasang gahai ngalili gjihi sangrom se ishiwi pianist na kongmira jidi shuda itum na lahis hase. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Ara itumhi introduction and presentation we atam kuikak faisa se china introduction and presentation we vang TNZL Sports Committee we convener nga kuimi busung na atam kuimirno.
Respected Chief Guest Shri Ajay Kumar Phala, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Guest of Honor Shri Kashim Vashum, Honorable MLA of Chingai AC, Chief Host R.S. Cholison, Vice President Tangkhul Nagalong, Special Guest Shri Ashish Das, IAS Deputy Commissioner Yukrul, distinguished dignitaries, respected elders, village leaders, media friends, members of the local organizing committee, participating teams, ladies and gentlemen, Good morning and a warm greetings to you all. It is my privilege as a convener to extend my heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you to the 11th Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang Sports, Literary and Cultural Festival, held in this beautiful village of Pali from the 13th to the 22nd of January 2026. This year theme Unity in Motion holds special meaning for us. For the Western Tangkhul Naga community, unity has never been passive. It is lived, practiced, and carried forward. It is reflected on our playing field, on our stages, in our literature, and in our shared cultural identity. Today, as we gather here, we affirm that unity is not only about standing together, but also about moving together, growing together, and building together. The TNZL festival has always been more than a competition. It is a celebration of who we are, of our sportsmanship, our intellectual spirit, our creativity, our culture, and our youths. It provides a space for village to reconnect, for friendship to form, and for talent to emerge. With this 11th edition, we continue that legacy with pride. I would like to take this moment to express our appreciation to our Chief Guest, Honorable Governor Sri Ajay Kumar Phala, to our Guest of Honor, Honorable MLA Sri Kashim Vashum, for his continued support and leadership, to our Chief Host, Queer R.S. Cholison, for his guidance throughout, to our special guest, Sri Ashish Tas, for joining us and encouraging our youths, to the local organizing committee and the people of Pali for their tireless work and warm hospitality, to the TNZL leadership, sponsors, partners, and volunteers, without whom this event would not have been possible, to TNZL Phungbu, Assembly Speaker and Deputy Speaker, and President TNAWL Tennyson Kashung, Kuiramvu Tingrepi Lunghar Washi, President Tangkhul Shinau Long, Kuiru Ramrachan Keshing, President Tikes Tangkhul Katamnau Long, Kuiru Ringpapam Gasar, President TMNL, President in charge TMNL. To the 15 participant teams, I say, may you compete with integrity, with discipline and mutual respect. Let the result be secondary for the spirit of fellowship we build here. Win with humility and accept defeat with grace. Let your action reflect unity in motion. To our youths, this festival belongs to you. May you carry our culture forward with pride and imagination. To our elders, we honor your wisdom and guidance. Your blessing are our foundation. As we begin this 11th TNZL festival, I welcome you all once again to a week of sportsmanship, culture, learning, and togetherness. May it strengthen our bonds and inspire our future. Thank you. As I would like to take this moment to express our appreciation and for a time for presentation. So I request our Chief Guest, Honorable Governor Sri Ajay Phala. So I request our Deputy Commissioner to please take the presentation, and I would like to request our TNZL Chairman, Ipchan Kapai, to do the honor. Okay. To our guest of honor, Honorable MLA Sri Kashim Vashum. Thank you. To our chief host, Queer R.S. Cholison. To our special guest, Sri Assis Das. We have another presentation for you. Tennyson Kashung, President, TNAWL. Queer Rambut, Tingripi Lunghar Washi, President Tangkhul Chinaolong. Queer Ramraychan Keshing, President Tangkhul Ktamnaolong. Queer Ring Pabam Kasar, President in charge, TMNL. Thank you so much.
Ning Shere, Ara Itumhi, welcome address Lise, welcome address Vivang, E Ungnao convener Elosili Atam Midale.
Respected Sri Assis Das, Deputy Commissioner Ukrul, who represents the chief guest on the occasion, His Excellency Sri Ajay Kumar Phala, the Governor of Manipur, and who is also the special guest of the day. Guest of honor Sri Kishim Vashum, MLA 45 Jingai AC, former Minister Transport and Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, and all the dignitaries gathered here today. I, on behalf of the local organizing committee of this 11th Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang Sports, Cultural and Literary Festival 2026, welcome one and all to this joyous and grand festival. It is indeed a historic moment and a day to cherish, not only by the villagers, but also by the Western Tangkhul people. The presence of His Excellency today would have been the first ever governor to set foot on the Western Tangkhul soil. Truly, his presence would have been a beacon of light for development and unity amongst us as equally privileged citizens of the state. However, due to this diet schedule owing to the current situation in Manipur, he can't be here today with us. Nevertheless, he has deputed our respected Deputy Commissioner Ukrul to make it convenient to convey his message and acknowledge whatever the host and the people of Zingtun have humbly arranged for him. Therefore, we request our dear Deputy Commissioner to convey our best wishes and prayers to the Governor. As such, we feel that we are moving forward with the mercies and genuine concern of His Excellency. We pray that His Excellency is bestowed with good health and long life. May God bless him with a more meaningful and purposeful life ahead. Again, as the convener of the local organizing committee, I, on behalf of everyone, welcome our most special and the most familiar friend, our leader and a fatherly figure, Sri Kishim Vashum, MLA 45 Assembly Constituency. His presence today amidst us has once again proved his sincerity and concern towards the people of Pali in particular and the Zingtun people in general. As a matter of fact, His generous contribution in his own capacity has shaped this beautiful festival venue, changing the very landscape of Pali village. We express our heartfelt gratitude for making this festival possible and making it more lively. I now shift my focus to all the participating units in this festival, that it is our responsibility to make this festival a successful one. To be precise, it is neither any other entities or communities nor tribes that will shape the future of the Western Tangkhul areas. We are the sole guardian, and therefore we must uphold Zingtun in every possible way at our disposal. Today, we are celebrating together joyously under the leadership of our able leaders, but tomorrow belongs to you, our dear youths and students. So you must discard differences, do away with zonal egos and feelings, but remember always and walk the path of unity as your elders have instilled in us. Zingtun must be one and always should be. The future of Zingtun is in your hands. Zingtun needs you. Lastly, but not least, a piece of advice and appeal on behalf of the local organizing committee again. Despite the expectations of comforts and leisurely accommodation in your designated camps, you might have found them otherwise, and I apologize for that. Rather, let us prioritize the spirit of participation and savor the excitement of the celebration. Let us not be the problem graders, but rather be the problem solvers. I believe, with this in mind, we shall uphold unity amongst us and build our Zingtun in the way we desire to. Let us all look up to the theme of the festival, Sakaza, and let this theme be the sole motto for each one of us. Wishing everyone happy 11th Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang Sports, Cultural and Literary Festival 2026. May I now take a short time of presentation, a small token to show our love and appreciation to a few personalities. I will call out their names one after another. When I call out their names, may I kindly request them to rise up from their seats and receive this token. Firstly, His Excellency Sri Ajay Kumar Phala, Governor of Manipur, Deputy Commissioner Ukhrul will kindly receive and deliver it to the Governor. Thank you. Secondly, Sri Kishim Vashum, MLA, 45 Jinga Assembly Constituency, our guest of honor. Thirdly, Sri Ashish Das, DC, Ukhrul, representative of His Excellency, and our special guest too. Thank you. Thirdly, R.S. Jolison, Vice President, Tangkhul Naga Long, our Chief Host. Followed by Thingray P. Lungherwasi, President Tangkhul Sinau Long. Followed by Ramrejan K. Singh, President Tangkhul Gatamnao Saklong. And lastly, Ringpapam Kasar, President in charge, Tangkhul Mayor Ngla Long. Though small and insignificant our tokens may be to you, please accept them with a loving heart. All these items are locally produced organic things only. And lastly, the token that you have received signifies the dying giant. We call it Langway, and we would like our dignitaries who are concerned enough to uphold this tradition, because this village preserves this tradition only. Not other villages are preserving this anymore. Thank you so much.
Ningshere Ojali for the warm welcome address. Ara itum keynote address yubang atam pikase kaya shikhiya TNZL with Chairman Ipchan Kapaidi atam himidale.
Hello, Zingtun. Ya, Lishinaga Zangho. Are we ningai come tada data about some like say? Sugar Kulio, go buy me to the jam. Cut how night to me. You marking like her razan hoda. It to me to marking Yoga. Pashok Yoga. Respected guests and dear friends, I warmly greet you all on behalf of the Tangkhul Naga Longphang in this auspicious occasion of the 11th Tangkhul Naga Longphang Sports, Literary and Cultural Festival. We were honored to have the Honorable Governor as our chief guest, but due to unavoidable circumstance, he could not be with us today. On his behalf, we are deeply honored by the presence of his representative, the Deputy Commissioner of UCRU, who is also our special guest. We also extend our warm welcome to the guest of honor, Honorable MLA 45 Chingai AC, and the Chief Host, the Vice President of TNZL. With great respect and joy, I welcome you all. And ara Legacia Rom Ramwena Razangaya Aunga being chairman being Kala youth Kala Katam Nolong President Executive being Lang with the Razangai Telkets Katomali Ringapa welcome Sadale Zingtun na Orininga Kamtada Hita Kupsang say Trata Akakagushunga Zingtun Longphang Sports Reader meet the Tungutongli Ringapang Sarno. Thank you.
ning shere ishui chairman li ara itum hi special display host team nang ranai dale program hi mapung pha khawai the host team na lungtung la kai nang ran kai special display hi ka phai sa se chena itumi mangali le dakle space tar ka sawe chena right side le dakle na tumbing na right side wak pa hi khawa mi no kala left side le dakle na tumbing na left wak pa je further left ji khawa mi lo ji request sa dale center stage hi tar ka sawe special display hi wang ning shinaye cooperation khami wi wang Ara special display wibang issue host team palili atamidale kala jiling shida yari ping delegates ping katong kali request sadale itumhi live chatakle saukida nathumi mobile data hi of sami khawai request sadale live kazadi khap ko khnole awe jena yari ping nathum katong khana nathumi phone wi mobile data ji of sami khawai request sadale live hi sa live na zatmidale Ara special display wibang host team li atamidale host team li welcome sakakui sada yari itum bigatong khana with the biggest round of applause actually welcome sakui say yari being actually host team wibang pangkape we say thank you
Hello. Welcome to Pali, a beautiful land gently cradled by hills and faith, where nature holds our memories and God's grace flows in quiet abundance. This blessed land has nurtured generations of talented students shaped by discipline and hope, many of whom now serve with honor in state and central services, carrying the name and values of Pali far beyond its borders. With warm hearts and joyful spirits, we extend our heartfelt welcome to all units, delegates, participants, elders, students, and every person gathered here today. Your presence adds meaning to this celebration and strengthens the bond of unity and fellowship among us. As we humbly host the 11th Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang Sports, Literary and Culture Festival, we gather with thankful hearts to celebrate God's enduring blessings upon our people. Through the creativity, skills, and dedication displayed by our students today, we witness the promise of tomorrow taking form. May this festival strengthen brotherhood, rekindle cherished memories, inspire young minds, and sow lasting seeds of peace and harmony. With humility and joy, we offer our talents as a tribute to our God, praying that His grace may continue to guide our land and our people, now and for generations to come. Long live TNZL.
Yaripingna Kakatom Sada, let's give them a biggest round of applause. Atamda Zatmamante, the Itumi Panka Peji, Katom the Legaji, Kate Sada, Mangasamse, Yariping, Nishinaye, National Being, Kanditot Bing, Kakatom Sada, Mangasamla, Panka Pemiseg, request Sadale. Ningshig Jankadaire, host teamly, itumli host Sakami Mangmajilla, program him a Pungpakavai, Ningsang Lakina, Katam Nobingli, coordinate Sakwida, special Salakai, display Samikai, Jivang Ningshig Jankatko, unit Katongui Matunsada, Kala well wishers being Katongui Matunsada, Pali host teamly, special Salakina acknowledge Sadale. This special display has made the program more eventful and colorful. Ningshig Jankadai ko itumli warmest hospitality extend samita welcome Sakami Wivang, Pali host team Wivang, Yari itum bing Gatong kana the biggest round of applause please. Ningshig Jankadai re ara units bing Gatong kana latri shita apam mangawi stage di rakwi mirono. Units bing na mga Hili apam rakhoy mirano ara itumhi short speech atam koi kaura jena units ping na kachachawi apam chili mga hili rakhoy mi kawai request sadale. Ara itum short speech atam kuikak faisa se Kareli RN Eliezer Chairman Pali Village Kayashi Kangiya Ram Hiwi Chairman Pali Village we RN Eliezer na short speech wang atam kui miro no.
Respected Sri Ashish Das, Deputy Commissioner who represent the chief guest of the occasion, Honorable Sri Ajay Kumar Phala, the Governor of Manipur, and who is also the special guest of the day. Guest of honor Sri Kashim Washum, MLA 45 Chingai AC, former Minister, Transport and Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, and all the dignitaries gathered here today. At this inaugural function of TNZL Sports, Cultural and Literary Festival 2026, I, on behalf of Pali Village, would like to draw the kind attention of Honorable Sri Ajay Kumar Phala, the Governor of Manipur, that we the people of Pali have been neglected for so many years, that we are lacking in almost all respect of development, not to mention the kind gesture and concern of the Honorable local MLA Sri Kashim Washum, who has been a friend, father, figure and our representative to the Manipur Legislative Assembly. I therefore, as the chairman of the village Administrative Council, would like to submit a memorandum through the representative of Honorable Governor to expedite positively and thus fulfill the long-cherished dreams of the village. Latluida Rajang Kahaya delegates Pingli welcome Saludale Ram Hiwi Ram Hili itum bam ngurum gida ngareong ngurum gida kle saiko hili itum kok kasada ngurum se Ram hina legislation Shemai the rules and regulations, Shemai the Kalene, itum Moyon Ngurum say, itum Kavat, Movakshun Kyakale Salala, Ramna, Horse Nasata Kaleli, Gijija with problems, Gija with Kavat Lake Rokji, Hangarum Laga itum Haptahi, Zimik Short Tratang here in Kapina Moyon Ngurum Sekaji, Hangaye, Gala. Now my tweet. Kangreo Kangan Hili decision the Kijija with rules and regulations made the Lere. Decision judge na referee empire na decision mikahaji china final negajibaji lalu he mentioned sangane itum ngarumda ringkapa ena TNZL Sports Cum Cultural Meeting moyon ngarum se gaji he hang kangaine. May I now request one of our young ladies to read out the memorandum as an acknowledgement to one and all present here.
Combined memorandum submitted to His Excellency Governor of Manipur Sri Ajay Kumar Phala on his August visit to Pali village as the chief guest of the 11th Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang Sports, Literary and Cultural Festival from 13 to 22nd January 2026. Your Excellency, we are profoundly honored by your visit. No dignitary of your stature has set foot in the village and the area so far. Thus, your visit is phenomenal and a historic milestone cemented forever. In consonance with the joy of this occasion, we seek to express our long-standing need-based requirements in this village and at the stalled LM subdivision headquarters, as your Excellency stands as our fatherly figure and the sole authority to judiciously purvey to ensure quality of governance and uplift all sections of the people at large. We therefore bring out hereby our basic aspirations threadbare without any hesitation. 1. In education sector, the Padang or Pali Government High School, which is one of the oldest schools established in 1952, is in a sorry state with dilapidated classrooms. The Gravest concern is that it is manned by only 12 teachers, including the headmistress, out of which 2 teachers are pulled in from the SVS school of the village, and 3 teachers are solely funded through local contribution. Out of the 23 sanctioned posts earlier, when it was upgraded to higher secondary school, now the weird terminology, transferred with post, has robbed and maimed the school to its ruin. In spite of repeated requests to the concerned authority, nothing has improved so far. Therefore, sir, kindly upgrade Hadang Government High School to higher secondary school, again by providing new building and infrastructure. Land availability, note appended, Annexure 1. Appoint all required teachers and staff and do away with the transfer with post practice in the State Education Department. Sprawling and befitting buildings of a model residential school has been constructed 2 years ago in the Pali LM subdivision headquarters. However, no authority of the state has initiated any step to run it as required, which will benefit 39 villages of the area as intended. Therefore, sir, we plead to your esteemed intervention to bolster our basic right to education long deprived. Photo appended, Annexure 2. Second, in health sector. Pali village, which is fast-growing community, has been left with PHSE without proper building and amenities. Therefore, it is our earnest request to kindly upgrade the health center to PHC status with infrastructure. Required land available, Annexure 3. The Pali Veterinary Hospital is one of the oldest state-run facilities whose building collapsed and has been downgraded with tiny makeshift rooms. We therefore seek to request for an upgraded facilities with building, as the role of veterinary is gaining grounds in uplifting the rural economy. Required land available, Annexure 4. Third, in the social infrastructure. Pali village has only one playground serving the purpose of all sports and community activities. Therefore, we pray for your kind provision to convert it into a mini stadium with turf laying. Pali is a historic village with a rich cultural heritage, as mentioned by T.C. Hudson in his book, The Naga Tribes of Manipur. The youth of the village therefore look forward to maintain a cultural museum supplementing the rich ethos of Manipur state. In this regard, kindly provide a decent infrastructure for which we have enough land, Annexure 5. Your Excellency, on the day of our auspicious appointment with your office on the 19th of December 2025, we have requested for blacktopping of Pali Inner Village Link Road, construction of guest house in LM Block, SDO headquarters, and to look into LM subdivision functional. 2 is being reminded for your inclusive perusal. Sir, our will and eagerness to develop and write with the tide of the time has resulted to these numerous prayers in your august visit today. We pray for your patience and fatherly consideration of our needs, for integration of the nation on equal footing of progress. May God bless and guide you with his infinite wisdom in whatever you do. Yours faithfully, signed by Ibjan Kapai Chairman, Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang, A. Ungrengam Headman, Pali Village, R.N. Eliza Chairman, Pali Village Administrative Council, R.S. Yurin President, Pali Youth Organization. Thank you.
Ningshere ara atamhi itumwi Chief Host Koire R.S. Jolison Vice President TNZL kashutu ibang atam midale ojana awatam hi khuimirno.
Respected Chief Guest Sri Ajay Kumar Pala, Honorable Governor of Manipur, who is represented by the Deputy Commissioner of Krul, Guest of Honor Sri Kashim Vashum, Honorable MLA 45 Jingai SC, Special Guest Sri Asistas IAS, Deputy Commissioner of Krul, all the special invitees and dignitaries on the dais. I, as the chief host, once again warmly welcome you to the 11th TNZL Sports, Literary and Cultural Festival. I would like to extend my warm greetings and respect to each and everyone present here today. I will not take much time. I just want to leave few lines in Tangkhul dialect for the convenience of the gathering. So I request the Deputy Commissioner and the non-Tangkhul speaking friends to kindly bear with me. Ram now being Tangkhul Zingtun lui ram lipam da klaya, khar now being kathana being yarong la being adam ba chang dam khuya ge ka jot la jot hai re jot hai ka tui khma thama thui la malum wa tha we khang da la mang na sang mani kha in the hang ngai ba ba ma thukran hai kho itum sang na jot hai re jung hang phanga lang da itum na sam phang ran ma sam phang nga sak itum na misan India we are ling lipam da aching lipam da kleli itum misan khui la ka itum representative ji hokara ji la ji yen dang da itum li jung khamai mi ping na itum ni ji khambam da le ye itum rai ka sang ka tong hi veli li tambak li kan se de cha da le ko aju itum Tangkhul ram li yang lo ground turf ground malai mane stadium malai mane education system ari memorandum ji chang sar da le Tangkhul ngalai li ukru higher secondary school in a model maning la government school hi ocha ka pai malai lak mane mention sa ka pai malai lak mane in hang chingi ising ra education system itumli khang ngajan khang sakhiwa generation sak that kho generation sak that kho kran ga khang wa si to kran ga itumnas hang la masala sa therek la ka sarek la ka itumna sambang ran ma sambang sak le da khlai aju isum dangka MLA magad khni le ran ne isi Tangkhul phanga le ran ne kha ka thum mang in itumni nam shan mi da le kho mathukran hai re nganingkaran hai re sa khare ga bi dak le bingjilila itum mathukran hai re yanglo 2026-27 itumi delimitation ra ira dale nganingka sai itum machuk sai sangna hai kho gugi zo dising khoi re popular government kharadam tharanli represent masamara we will not take part kaji with decision khoi isi Naga neutrality bended ba sabam dale kha isum Naga laga khamba thukan na hai re chung khammayami bingjili hangu sai cho itumli hi samira jika itumna sambang ran sambang na jika itumi budget tambak in ka phung naw itum budget nga dei gi ji li le itumi paisa ka tong tambak li her sang de le school ka siam tax li khui pam de le ti da hau ka da itumna sambang ran ji sambang ra jika cho itum sangrom sei gi ji hangran ra hai re thuk la ga na chuk sei ajwi 2027 delimitation hili itum na sambangan itum o saran masa ka ba another 40-50 years itum chot walu fur ko jiena itum ajui moto unity in motion kiwi perspective aina jira ka janglam thei mane kha itum khok ka sawa lungli itum masuni wang chat wang rum chi hangai naw mai thui da team ga tongali all the best hangai da le nathum hida da rakha jip aina itum Tangkhul ya lungli Naga lungli phap ka taw lungli rega sangaw li khok ka sa khirana nok ji hang la ka hindangau ke long live TNZL. Thank you.
ning shege ojali lungtukla kaina katom sami ka hai juwang ara atam hi itumi kya shikhingi a guest of honor Shri Khashim Vashum Honorable MLA 45 Chingai SC the atamitle ojana atam khimirano
Hitler in Zingtun basi Western basi jatu ning sulage I hunnaga aju Kekla South the East Peace Mdaranga Jomega Governor Lete Sauga. Your Excellency, the Governor of Manipur Sri Ajay Kumar Pala, the Chief Guest of Inaugural Function Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang, represented by Deputy Commissioner Okrul Sri Ashish Das, IS, as a special guest. The Vice President of Tangkhul Naga Long, Arias Solution, the Chairman of TNZL, Ipchan Kapai, respected headman of Pali Village, and the Chairman of Pali Village, local pastor Reverend Asok Ringwa, all the CSO leaders, distinguished guests, elders and delegates from different villages. It is an honor to highlight the key developmental initiatives undertaken by Government of India and Government of Manipur in LM block under Chingai AC by various departments. The most important novelty, the Sirarakong chili production project and Kajai lemon production projects have earned the GI tag recognition with the products reaching wider market, a matter of pride for Manipur. The LM block office is now operationally with ongoing vicinity and development. I also wish to mention the crucial road Mahadev Toloi Phosro Road construction project, a key connector between Ukrur and Senapati and Nagaland State. I urge the authority, the department, to align with the ministry and expedite the remaining work in progress and the earliest in the interest of the area. Lastly, I thank the organizer for bringing us together, and I wish all the participants the best of luck. Thank you. Lexia Zingtun Late Clear Ramnoping. As a Trakalamudi Falamale Kerr, as the government of Indiana, government of Manipur, Yankala Trakale Babamdale, Chui Longley. As 11 and 12 in a represent Rasai. He will lonely Sagabai, Masagabai la Trakale Uda, Yaru Kapanila Mungsung la Trakale Babame, Katasai Jilla, as Dalagana, a Western sector in Auda, not only in Apple Sakan Layer. It whom development he area Jiwi, cooperation theater Gasas from Co. North Vienna extreme corner, border area Vienna to some represents Hadakle Lungili. If we could, if we to some area, if we just have area hipping the cooperation by Miss Asija, Ari Ramni, if we song delay, some find the Malay Samre, electric and the Malay Samre, local contribution the track at Zange, local pressure he track at Zange, the Omega in the pressure, not to me examalak among Sage, Atang in a governally, Asamari Jimmy Bobamre. Tele Mahate Toleroti Fusro Basunda Chikoima Baki Jisumfune. Hilila Twikaya Itumi Karnobing. Track and pressure Milaga Hita the Saram Sumakale in a Rasinga Hili. Any Siwi actually 99 crore something he sanctioned in the last Hilaga Jutili, Heralga, PRDF at Tio, Jutili, NC Stately Henward Sawe. Hilung Hile as he we area later not whom we pressure hila taka salake, not whom we it only pressure Camilla taka salake, not whom we sadakle lunguli, ramno pingna, iramni satale, you area develop satale, hipning laka, hipa he will like Sabananda, not humnala, not whom the higher told bingla, not whom we pressure to a chingli la watagine, Kalakalam Halakana, Atu Mahadev Toleroti, State Highway declare Keseli Sokai here. 2024 Sokai Hibahi, itumi continue sakvai hipa hilando tumne pressure hila milog ji hila chungme namthe samre are mahadev doloi rothi kebne luku kalga hipa hi sit hawe declare sakhaine are maintenance matham thang khralungli teomme khawa sengin sakhala le are ko kha hili yang sangwata ujaka I avwan pinbon masake ila contract sak samine ila business sak samine khui area wi mi pingna sacrifice majangla khui mi pingna area wi mi pingna hi sacrifice majangla hi ba hi otbung sumra ko azu inang mu khail ka hangla maning ne kha iwi atom hili CRF wi Central Reserve Fund wi alungli government of India ne proof samila ka manipuli thata ko thumang ko chu alungli isi western ko thum hi changai chu lungli ina last year la ina hi hangwe re ithumui ngai ngo toloi changsan du somdol via ngai ngo e monland thum thesa deli ma hangke toloi ngai ngo changsan du tunem no thum thesa dele lamnam ke tu toloi hila CRF government na mathalan sanction mi khai hila implement ka sa domne agency wi ka swel labor me department swel labor me he control he government akhamang mening thog de hila chop lage azu shingrabing mag samang le map niai se azu ina I kikla saida ina khang di minim ne kha tiome ga ithumle ungda khle hila ithumle corporation milaga hikta hila azu leida khle lungle azu inauna no thumli hikta hikiwa hanglaja ithumwi economically sak development ma khle atamne lari kitam nawi inauna no thumle sak zu wang hi menjan sane azu JJM NDDP le government am thalakane 생전 살가 클리 데벨롭 사담을 그다도 희수있어라 희위 몬저 사기자 그네 자네 헥타다 힐라 히나 이나 크레곰 징둥이 질리 이나 질리게 소포너 사다 질라 아카치 men전 사이레 이나 히 항다 레오다 이tum나 로컬 빙위 컨트리뷰션 히타가 살라게지 이 항루이 지레 아주 헥타 아밤 팔레리 이나 항들라 이울링 유즈다 클리드라 파이노 트라가정 이슈 노르미 지나 마항라 West nigji no thungyan tam quick fight rakhle no thungyan shikuk fight rakhle as Tangkhul lit chade khle hi ishi aru ithumnga ningde khle hi organization atsing week thana mangko hikta damle ithumne as rada khle hi Tangkhul ne azem themne atom themne jingsom themne ithumne yangada khle hi ishi Zingtun win not hum organizing not hum mule helico, very silly jilla not hum the Katanako. Color actually government of India was seen government of Manipur are seen employed to Metuki Hill area co. Are he Kaliga Talikla Janishi Tadachia Pakolo. Kaliga Talikla Janisha Pakolo Jibajeva. Kaituma Yangadle Foko Ishing Rabbing Ishirape, somewhere the Yangdakle ask where's we Seba here Matana. Where's we like them cheat the letter? Or a very raw look from San Mangina, where is his soccer, you cool as sending him your honor. You cool Ayaton of Reshik Sabing Mangaba Twikai. I told them the LDC travel no and the Magzanga Kujili 40% employ some Mankai Kula Drakle, Babamari, Tangkhul, China, as a Zingtun, Inaugural, not only Bill Sakai Baba. Hekta sports meet Hile. Politicalized masalo. Higda atam hili machine manauda as a trada panga riding palage. Each induni in a chief case hagahi Katunga Medishare subject to correction as in the committee atali. Tindunia investment in chief case Imam Kaba. Sansale Jitanura, Sansale in the contract Satane. The Sansala and Sansa Kachang. Ishi wears we get them now being Talagane. It to me mata high se war. It to me car high to Panalo. As you sports meet that the Sadak lady, Kugan Kitam, Tam quick fight, Kalaram now, Miramala taking rock like a Hianala mission made the Mirin Somdal, Hikahila Kanalaktala. As you Kuhina in a Taye, 1 year guide, he prepared Sahi, preparation Sahi, Chingumaka guide. Palani Hiaka local in the Hiaka Sakta Reverse Salaga. Ishi rather clay. Oh, Krekogum Somdale itum last final and football league Muhaji Jim so round away. Then you little Nakajin in a Palali Mitang Sao. Our friend Sekorga Lamlanghane, the Mitang Sang Roll like a jump. tiêm cái tì mới chỉ cái vai gì final size đấy chẳng ta hết ta chăm mà mình làm sao phải là sao sẽ cái sari cái chim này khăn nó thùng mì sari là nó thùng mì chỉ cái sao là sari lý khen là nhau mấy khởi khẩu khi cái gì lý yêu tai thì sọc bom chỉ là 상암 감에 커래 담구이 과사세 아주 너tum네 이투무이 이시송리바 아카사 잉글리시 망하나 미투이 아카소 롬바시 위단 속사 아카사 매양 위 속사다정 나가 걸스를 미치크닝 아 닝들 남들려나 실리 룽구야 타모라 다 아주 이나오라 노툼라다 그리지 삼몰리 시체 노툼히 아카와 사이다 아주 아시스롱히 아이에스라 히 덤구이 과만 지게 보내워 알아 서비스 그티오노 사사들라 아웨 프로젝트 노툼나 아우 히실라 사들레레 그티오노들라 일러면 유 봐봐 텔레폰 오퍼레이터 4클래스 알아 지범범들라 노툼니 덤구이 과에 오 이나오라 이tum라 히다데 chief ke sarda ma phring salakne azuina ningli ko khangchilam le lam ti sokta khleji no thumna ram lungphatum samlo inongna no thumna saranji ram hiwi le shikhang rogaine khu khang teli tam kui khwai ji khonna milo guji I khnawa sada bil sangaye phata mangsi ya jada hang ga cha chinga jin kha yu khamsi di khamjin ajwa mam du baim rali ta ishi phale basinala hyaka ramwiwang kala ilila chief ke sumsaga hiam sabai mreda atumnala rakhai kising mongwan mutu daug da jang phale uchanan thumna thedali li jang ta ning silagare ho samida kle kala issue ho ayar wanala rada kle no thum dong alila phale lia kikam thamne aramba service wala trak le bok hala bol kikam thamre aramli ai kika ikte no mioga asma dam khilime 히 아주 아담렘네 힐리 속닝 밀로 타다 평아지 힐리 속닝 밀로 아주 있는 던지 미래 리메티다 이시 징둔 바시 오그나이제이션 코미디안 저가 아삼 민위리아다 펄 롱팡위 아니 미래가 입전니 미래가 구이미니 미래가 마템네 이 아르리바 아캄 칼미래 질림마 탈라한 사가 한방 아삼 미프라 큰일에 팔레바 실리아 뭐 키카메 미므레히 에몬 라마 항므레 네 아카나 소쿠밀로죠 네 시험 궁아지고 이시 팔레바 히다데 아실리아 아카망에 카 영나우스 타더네 네 시인 항라마 속투레 이네 시 팀빙리 방아 십지 미타일로 사이카 힐라카시 속닝밀로
Units kachivali sir na legshi panglan sangai tle jena units trada phangana atamba zangrila representative avu na shokai mirano parung lamlang sekong talui ringwi ti chanhong maichon tanri tingsong tishar tenam sirarkhong somdal pali nathum gutong na representative avu na shokai mirano units trada phangahina shokai mirano legshi
jana athang inaura hili pelun senga pelun na sangna hai khare keteware chu group jilala tramang na hamage inaura hili akhaji songmen do hling gari sada jo jana athang chotlaga na I thumli phungkhamiya khniji ninila thrahami harsa sada sabailo nisili naram nimu kamre nini ba harsa sal nini thrahami ge jila jingli pamla tamle thurejo 이시 이농라 좀 속라 저이 희한은 당하게 희한은 폼다 셀리라바 모래 아담레 투레 네 시그동알 all the best 망무로 play with the spirit of game 파마다 ng무야를 작하자 너 톰이 50,000 minus 다 너 톰고 동 알린 닝스라게 이시 팔레바시 선모 나오세요 아주 나라 무기바 감타망 미하래
Ningshinaye ojalia tam gajida Longphang we various initiatives li hida da katomi ching gaji wang oja na we katom kami Longphang hi hilina na katomi ching gaji hina it has always been a source of strength for us ningshik changkatai ko gaji Longphang hi we matun sa da hang chipundale ojali Otre Pungai Kani Jinala, Legacy Panglani Shokimirno, Pali representative Fakanala Shokimiarno. Ning share. May I now invite Shri Ashish Das, Deputy Commissioner Ukrul. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, Fali. Respected Honorable MLA 45 Chingai AC Sri Kashimashum, Chief Host RS Jolison, all the dignitaries present in the dais, and all my dear friends. And Honorable Governor was very keen to attend this function. Governor Longphang has intimated us regarding the function like much earlier. Due to unavoidable circumstances, he could not come. So he conveyed his regret of for not attending this event and conveying you all the best wishes and regards for the wonderful completion of the event from Longphang by Honorable Governor. And I am personally very touched to come and see all these things because I didn't expect this kind of arrangement and this kind of crowd. And especially touched by the performance of these small kids. Who is the person behind it? The kids' performance? Huh? And there should be some trainer. Principal. So we have been chief guest of honors for long, and this time I would like to give a suggestion. I would like to invite these kids as the guest of official guest of district administration for the Republic Day celebrations this year, and to perform a special number similar to this. Will you come? That is why I just wanted to know who is the person. So I would like to tell the principal, please communicate with my office for the things. So then which team is going to win this tournament? And not enough spirit? Wow. So I'm giving a small suggestion, once more suggestion to this time TNL. When villages having dispute, why don't you try to resolve through this means rather than fight? And that will be wonderful. It will actually encourage sports a lot. And sports in Ukrul is next level. Trust me, you are competing with one of the best in the nation. So you have all the potential. I'm wishing you all the best. I would like to spend more time with you. I would like to spend few days here, such a wonderful place. But unfortunately, I have another meeting at 2 o'clock, so I have to leave early. Wishing you all the best from my bottom of the heart. Thank you. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind wishes. Ara itumhi 11 Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang we Monolithy and Vil Sakavai Sase Monolithy and Vil Sakavai. May I now request our guest of honor, Shri Krishim Vashum, Honorable MLA 45 Chingai AC Nathan Mida Itumi Monolithy and Vil Sakavai Sase. Ara itum monolith and Vil Sakavai atam krikase Chena Monolithy itum arach pak laitale ishiwi kya shikhiya guest of honor na Monolithy and Vil Sakavai request sadale ning shade dignitaries bring the shumida itumi Monolithy and Vil Sakavai sase. Hiwi mathangli lighting up of the tournament flame kwikara torch fair khanila ngaran haire chena lighting up of the tournament hi hiu mathangli kwikara chiwi thili kick off leader itum hobo khawai saura chena first came kwigi the clay team khani maichon kalatal nala players spinner uniform in ready sami khawai request sadale ning shere oja kala dignitaries pingli yarili monolithly sangahai to yar pinghi pashok mitale the 11th Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang TNZL Sports, Literary and Cultural Festival host Pali Village 13 to 22nd January 2026 theme Unity in Motion inaugural chief guest Shri Ajay Kumar Pala, Honorable His Excellency Governor of Manipur, Guest of Honor Shri Kashim Washum, Honorable MLA 45 Chingai AC, Ex-Minister Transport and Vet and A.H Government of Manipur, Chief Host Kwiru R.S. Jolison, Vice President TNL, Special Guest Shri Assis Das, IAS Deputy Commissioner Ukrul, Cultural Chief Guest Kwiru Apom Shimre, Chairman Somdal Village. Special Guest Kwiru Augustine Kashung, Chairman Aze Longphang. Kwiru Umpam L Shimre, Chairman Ato Longphang. Kwiru SP Lowry Zingsho Longphang, Chairman. Valedictory Chief Guest Shri Chongtam Biswachandra Singh, Chief Engineer PWD Manipur. Guest of Honor Shri Ngamriwung Luitui, SDO LM Block. TNZL Ipchan Kapai, Chairman. Ngakwimi Awungshi, Convener. Mai Kokmong Jahong Nao, Co-Convener. Host A. Ungringam, Headman. RN Eliezer, Chairman VAC. A. Ungnaoyo, Convener LOC. Hina monolithly yesangai to yar pingle yari saikor na monolith unveil gasawering kapasa da itum akshida panga family lakse. Thank you. Ara itum hi lighting up of the tournament flame with ceremony hi kuika khafaisa se itumi guest of honor na light up samira ishiwi athlete khani na ngasamra side akha akhai na ngasamda ishiwi guest of honor na light up sa khawai ngaran pingai re chena ishiwi torch pair khani na atami khwimirano ani na ngasamde na ka tom sa da yari ping la pangka phemi se ani hi Miss Sonim Ramshan hi represented Manipur North East Zone, represented Ukrul in state level, Shomi Memorial Trophy 2025 winner Lazange, volleyball represents Hakaine, Mr. Sakrum Ramanna, football 76 All India Independence Day Assam winner club Asufi, AIFF Youth League under 18 and under 15 Ningaryowaire, under 20 Men's National Football Championship 2025 Ningaryowaire, Jiwi winner ne. Ning shere Ningshi Tangkhul issue with guest of honor kala dignitaries ping gotong kali ara atumna zatmung manta itumi next match hi kui pokavai saura oath taking hi atami kui kara chena itumi oath taking wi wang atum issue with guest of honor kala dignitaries ping na Sydney pomakai thili representative avunna kachawi pilan kachawi flag hi singda mangali shok mirono gichi hi request sadale Ara atam hi oath taking quickak vaisa se Chena team representative akhana flag chasing laga manga hili shok miruno issue we oath taking we wang match supervisor li atam hi mi sangaira.
Hello. We, the managers of the 11 Tangkhul Naga Zingtun Longphang Sports, Literary and Cultural Festival 2026 solemnly pledge to carry out our duties with integrity, discipline, unity, and responsibility. We commit ourselves to fair conduct and to the successful conduct of this festival at Pali from 13 to 22nd January 2026. We take this oath with pride and dedication. Thank you.
Ning shere itum ari oath kui gaiji uphold sada itum with sporty hogopo kaina kokupao ring pala kaina koka yang kaina kupsangrum se gajihi hangjipun ngai dale ara another surprise for all the units issue guest of honor sir na surprise akang ran miliate le ari hi issue kya shikhingia guest of honor na football and volleyball hi kathakra laga unit kachikha unit na kokhi katong khali volleyball kokhi pali 5,000 rupees 10,000 football kokhi bali football kokhi bali 10,000 rupees himira the issue guest of honor na wang sangaira yari ping ring kapha sadakshi pang pengrum se units ping na manga shongkha shongmira no football kokhi bali 10,000 volleyball kokhi unit bali 5,000 rupees Chain units wing. He units ni kami ne individually kami meaning ne football ka khui units bali 10,000 rupees and 5,000 rupees volleyball ka khui bali. Units wing participate sase 5,000 and 10,000 rupees. Slightly curly being the lahibakpa along makpara zang mirano he kukup ngshida line up saura jena football players kanina ready sadang raira he kukup ngshida itumi first match hi khuyaura gji hi hangji pundale units katonka please jumble up salo area ji mix sakhilo tidaika no we chances la high samire your chances will be higher if you mix up so guys please mix up samirano. Are you ready? Joe, 10,000. Key unit clay, key unit clay. Key unit clay. Daynam na 10,000 rupees sambang haira. Ara volley hiva tenem bashina manga pai mirano. Volley hi only girls, only women. Volleyball hi shinaubing na samira chena. Shinaubing ayali leda kleina tumbing na la. Center stage li kazang mirano 5,000 rupees. Ayali zata kleina tumbing na la alung ni zang miarano timpanga. Kashapay nandang da tenem bashina mukhimi kawai salo guji tenem bashili appeal sadale. 5,000 rupees ne ayali later collection of in Ladzang Milo. Joe! Key unit. Volleyball with 5,000 rupees goes to Ngai unit. Ngai aina tainem na sampangaira 10,000 rupees he tainem na sampangaira 5,000 rupees goes to Ngai unit. Ning shik changkha taire oja na nahi dada Longphang wi wang atam gajida katomi ching paning shom mi ching gaju wang ning shik changkhat ko gaji Longphang katong khui mathun sada latwi shita ning gashi pongshok tale ara itum hi kick off atam khui ka faisa se chena players ping na lineup samir no itum match inspection na lera chena players khani china team khani wi players na mangali lineup sam yauro no gaji request sada le
Laga sa 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 the union ka laga at